Hello, welcome to the language station. I'm Prithvi Singh and I'm back with another lesson that'll help you learn counting this time. So today's lesson is about counting. Let's quickly begin. So today we are going to learn counting from 1 to 10. That will establish the basic foundation of the counting that we'll learn in future. But today we'll learn from 1 to 20 only, right? So let's begin. So the first part is 1 to 10. Now let's quickly see what the words are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Repeat after me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Très bien. Now let's quickly move to 11 to 20, right? So let's begin. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Let's quickly say it again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. That was easy, isn't it? Now let's quickly repeat from 1 to 20, right? Focus on the screen, focus on my mouth, how I pronunciate the words, and repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I need you to practice that because the next lesson that we are going to learn would be a little harder. But we'll do it because that was easy. So I'll see you in the next session. Until then, keep practicing. This is Prithvi Singh signing off. Thank you.